Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and Two of Wands. Person B here has Six of Wands, 10 of Swords, and we have the Hanged Man. Now bottom of the deck I have the Justice card. So for some of you, if you're involved in a legal case, okay, then the victory is going to happen for you because the verdict will come out in your favor. For others, if there was some kind of injustice that happened, you will get justice in this situation. Now what I'm seeing here from the first set of cards is you have the Ace of Pentacles, which means that you are looking for a new beginning, and that new beginning is based on something where you can go ahead and eventually build on it. So you would want to start with a small pentacle and then eventually grow that. But there's a lot of stress and anxiety that I see here also with 10 of Wands. You are going through a lot of suppression and exhaustion here. Maybe you feel that this will take a lot from you. It's kind of a burden as well that you feel, okay, and this could be because for some of you, you already have another option with this Two of Wands. If you already have another option, you're trying to weigh and see that do you really need to put in that effort in this relationship, or the other one is the easy way out, okay. So this is what is causing a lot of stress, confusion and anxiety to a lot of you. Now person B here, they have Six of Wands, which is victory. They want victory in this situation, but because things are maybe not happening the way they wanted, there's a lot of stress that they are also going through. Now with 10 of Swords being there for them, they feel as if there's some kind of backstabbing that has happened from your end to them, okay. So they feel backstabbed, they feel as if you may have done something which has really hurt this person. Now the third card for them is the Hanged Man energy, which means they are stuck, okay. They are stuck in this situation. They're trying to figure out how they want to go ahead and deal with this situation so that it works out for both of you. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is the Temperance card, the Hanged Man again, and the Ten of Pentacles. With Temperance, it means that balance is required in this relationship. Maybe balance is missing and that's why all this confusion happened. With the Hanged Man energy, this person is stuck trying to think what is the best way to deal with the situation and how to move forward. And how to get to this Ten of Pentacles is what they are aiming for, right? Ten of Pentacles is when you have everything in place, right? The family situation is good, your finances are in place, your family, your kids, everything is in place, right? So in order to get there, the ultimate card, which is the Ten of Pentacles, in order to just reach that particular stage of that relationship, this person is really trying to think through, okay, how can they actually reach there. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards, and a crystal that can also help you out in the situation. So we'll first go with the Moonology Oracle cards. So the message that I see is your hard work is paying off. So if you have put in a lot of hard work in this relationship, it will pay off. You just need to have a little patience here. Let's also go ahead and see what is the crystal that we have for you, which will help you in this situation, and what is the message from archangels. So the crystal that I see for you is golden calcite. The crystal message is, do you feel like you are fulfilling your soul's purpose? Do you know what are your strengths? It is time to become the person you are meant to be. Align yourself with a strong sense of self and actualize your full potential. Live up to your dreams, desires and contracts and radiate your excellence. With this, there's also a message here from Archangel Ariel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe. Love yourself first.